Meghalaya BJP filed an FIR against a fake letter being circulated in social media under the BJP letterhead stating that the BJP Meghalaya is against the celebration of Valentine's Day. Meghalaya BJP President Ernest Mauri said the letter is clearly a cheap political stunt that a desperate position has tried to pull on the BJP just ahead of the assembly elections. He said the letter goes on to show that political opponents of the BJP are scared of the rising popularity of the party in Meghalaya and in despair are trying to give a communal colour to the elections.
This letter, it is totally someone has want to exploit the political. It is a political issue. Maybe some vested interest party, they has circulated this letter, which very clearly, I want to give a statement. This letter has been circulated from the NPP because now they know that we are going to win the election and we'll win in the majority. So they don't have any agenda. That's why they are circulating this letter.